What's up guys, it's Easy Coding is here. Today I'll show you guys how to search and delete data from database in C# using Windows Forms. So guys, in my last video I show you guys how to insert data in database. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can check it out in the link given in the description bar. So let's begin this video. Mm, First we will have to just make the size of our form much more greater. We will take data grid view here. We'll place this data grid view here. In this data grid view, our result will be shown. The whole record in our database will be shown. Okay, now we'll need is two more buttons. This and this. Okay. Name those button as view and this one as delete. Okay, now go to view code. We will write as we're going to use the same SQL connection. Okay, just we need to do is to add another thing, that is dataset. We'll use dataset, make object of dataset ds, that is, and again we make the SQL data adapter. SQL data adapter, we also going to make the object of this SQL data adapter. I'm going to make it adt equal to new SQL data adapter. Okay, now we're going to fill it with our query. We'll write select all from the name of your table, that is student, comma, the object of your connection se, and now we'll do is use the object of this adt dot fill bracket. We will write ds database datasets object, and we'll write here inverted commas tbl, that is table. Okay, and in last we will use our data grid view object, data grid view dot data source equal to we'll use the object of dataset ds dot tables, brackets 0, and this is it. And this is the code for our viewing. We will see whole database record in our data grid view. So let's check it out. We're going to run it and just press on the view button. Here it's showing our record. We only got one record, that is Ahmed. Okay, we'll add more records later. Now what we need to do is to write a code for searching. We'll add another button, that is we will write it as search. Okay, we'll say place it over here, name it as search. We'll search our database with the name by using the name. Go to the search, we will write the same code over here, dataset ds equal to new dataset SQL data adapter adt equal to new SQL data adapter. We will write query as select static from student. We will add one thing more, where name equal to We will add name as text box 1 dot text. Okay, this is our query, and the rest of the code will going to be remain the same. And we will use adt dot fill ds comma table semicolon data grid view dot data source equal to ds dot tables. Here it is, and brackets 0. So our code is now almost completed. What's wrong over here is, okay, we didn't add the connection object. Okay, now let's check this. First I have to add some more records. For example, I'm adding another name, small class BS enrollment 56. I'm submitting it. Record is safe. I'll add another record that can be, okay. mm, so here BS, and we'll name it enrollment is 35. Also this record is, now we're going to view it. Here it is, it's giving us the whole view. Now we will going to search it by name. For example, if I want to search the name Usman, I will write it over here and press on search button. Here it's just searching. It's giving us the required record that I desire. Okay, now our searching code has been completed. We'll move to our delete code. We'll move to our delete button. Here, double press on it, go to its source code, and on button we're going to again add dataset. Data set ds equal to make object of dataset. SQL adapter, data adapter ad equal to, you can name the object whatever you like. I'm going to just name it as ad. Okay. Here we will write our query, where our query will be delete from student where id equal to text box 1 dot text. You can take any text box if you like. And then the connection. Okay, our connection has been done. Ad dot fill ds comma dl. Okay. Here I'm going to write a message that show us whether our record has been saved, record has been deleted successfully or not. I will write record has been deleted successfully. Okay. ad.fill, everything is right. Delete from student. I forgot to write over here the plus operator. Okay. Here an important point arises that we should delete our data by using the id. You'll use the records id to delete the data. If you use the name like we do it on above, in searching we use name of our record. In searching it show us the name, but if we delete it, it's just going to delete the multiple records. If we have the record of same name, for example, if Ali, there are many record of Ali, it will going to delete the whole records. So if we delete it by id, we'll just have to name it the number. It's just going to delete the specific record that we desire to delete it. Okay, now our code has been completed. Now run it. Here, first which record you want to delete. For example, I want to delete the record of number 3 here. We'll write over here 3 and then click on this button. It says record has been deleted successfully. Now go to again view and see that there is no record as number 3. If also I want to delete the record of Usman, we'll place it over here number 2 and delete it. Here Usman record also means successfully and deleted. Okay, here guys, I'll show you how to search and delete record in database in C sharp using Windows Form. So hope you guys like it. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and leave your thoughts in the comment section down below. Please do subscribe my channels and ring the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you so much for watching.